Hello, Amy and Sydney. I want to show you a few things on this page because I didn't see anything get turned in today, so maybe there's some confusion. First of all, pay no attention to these dates right here because that's in my time zone. Yours will say September 13th, 11 p.m. Okay, if you scroll down here at the bottom of the page, you'll see there are two assignments here. These are due September 13th, 11 p.m. That would be today. And these are due the 17th at 11 p.m. And that will be Sunday. Additionally, this project here, this wiki project, is also due on the 17th. And that's tied into this assignment. So it's just some video evidence of doing this assignment here. Okay? Now let's look at the first column. So in the first column here, you'll see the exploration for this week. We'll always have this block right here to break down what we're going to do and when we're going to do it. The things that are due before we have our live meeting, which will be September 15th, are listed here. So it says bioindicators reading question and answer. What is a macroinvertebrate reading? Watershed in my hand activity, and watch playlist number 1 in block below. That's what I was hoping was going to be done today. We'll have our live meeting at 5 o'clock on your time on Friday. And then on Sunday, the things you'll do or read or view after the live meeting will be to watch playlist number 2, conduct your field experiment, macroinvertebrate wiki project, create an ArcGIS account, which I have sent you an email, but I'm going to show you in this video what to do with that, and the ArcGIS macroinvertebrate map creation. If you scroll down a little farther on the page, you'll see here's the first playlist. So there's some videos here about bioindicators, and here's the second playlist, some videos on macroinvertebrates. Okay, let's go back up to assignments. If you click on this assignment, you'll see the actual instructions that go with these tasks right here. If you click on this assignment, you'll see the actual tasks that go with these assignments here, this list of bulleted points. So let's click on that one, the stuff that was due today, and look at that together. So there's 3 attachments. The first one is bioindicators. We'll open that one up. Second one is macroinvertebrates. And the third one is watershed in my hand. So for the bioindicators, it is a reading, and then there are some questions that you will respond to and submit. Let's look at that really quick. It's loading slowly. Go ahead and start loading the other ones so it won't take forever. If you don't have a Microsoft Word account, be sure to sign up for one. If you type in 360 Word for Education, there's a free account for all students. If for some reason you can't open this document, it's just very slow. Do 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 do. Okay, opening in protective view. Should have had these ready for you before I came here. I think I can edit these out. Let's see the time wait. Okay, so here's the bioindicator. So you read, and then it says watch videos, and then there's some more reading, and some video links, and some examples and some reading about different kinds of bioindicators. And then at the very bottom, to complete a written response and submit a doc file. So this is what you're going to do to show that you've read this article and that you understand bioindicators. A bioindicator is a living organism that gives us an idea of the health of an ecosystem. Next article. So the next one is, what is a macroinvertebrate? So here is what is a macroinvertebrate. For this one, you're getting ready for the activity you're going to do at the end of the week. So you're just reading through this. This is a definition of a macroinvertebrate. Here are some examples of macroinvertebrates, a couple short videos about macroinvertebrates that tie the two together. What is a bioindicator? And what does that have to do with macroinvertebrates? This is a reading. You'll do much with it after our live meeting. The third document is Watershed in My Hand. So this is your lab. There's part 1 and there's part 2. You're going to build a watershed and then answer some questions. Okay, so the instructions are here. You're going to need a large box, a large sheet of paper, washable markers, no Sharpies, and a spray bottle filled with water. You're going to create this textured landscape from wadding up a piece of paper, and then you're going to color the mountain ridges different colors. Answer these questions about what you observe when it rains. And then you're going to do part 2. I should say part 2. I'll upload that for you. And you'll do the same thing. And in this case, you're going to use some different colors of markers to represent different pollutants and uses of the land from humans, and then answer some questions about how those pollutants get carried away when it rains. Okay, and then you will submit that work. For the explanation after the live meeting, we can talk about this some more at the meeting if you'd like. Open up this document here. What is a macroinvertebrate? Again, as a reminder, collection of macroinvertebrates. So you're going to actually go to a water source and collect some macroinvertebrates. There's several videos that show you how to do that. And then you're going to create an ArcGIS map of the macroinvertebrates that you collected. These things you will submit in your wiki project. So right here, I started a sample. So I did a macroinvertebrate map of Maui, and you can see that this is the location that I went to collect my water sample, and I created a ArcGIS map of the macroinvertebrates that we found in the creek or stream, and then there's a pop-up here when you click on one of those tabs that gives you a picture of one of the macroinvertebrates, and you're going to create a map like this. Okay, so all of this, the Field Experience Wiki project, we will go over together on Friday when we have our live meeting. All you need to do before the live meeting to get ready for this is respond to that email I sent you with your code to get an ArcGIS account. And that is at arcgis.com. And you will be given access to an account on the ArcGIS website through my classroom. And you just need to follow the prompt as given in an email that I sent you about 3 days ago. Then we will see, there you are, Amy. And there you are, Sydney. So you've got a username. It says you have not yet logged in, so be sure to do that. And then I will show you on Friday how to start building that map. Okay, if you have any questions, please send me an email. Otherwise, I will be looking on this website tomorrow for these assignments right here. Okay? Have a good day. I'll talk to you later.